and we are a little further with the toilet drain relocation. And after we packed the gravel back in, I actually used the expanding foam on the bottom to seal it because we removed the vapor barrier. But also now when I put the plugs in and fill it in, I will use self-leveling compound to fill all the gaps and cracks, and I didn't want to run it all the way through the gravel, but to, you know, hit the foam to stop there and fill up this whole area. So let's get mixing. So after a couple hours, it turns out that the self-leveling compound wasn't exactly ideal, because you can see how much we lost down, because that foam we used here as well and put all the pieces back in afterwards is not super tight. So we lost some down here on the small one. So we are going to make a concrete mix and fill all this something little less running, because the gravity was against us on this one. So no more self-leveling compound, we'll go with the concrete mix to fill it both now all in nice and flush with the slab. And as you can see, I try to push these plugs below the surface so I can build up a little bit on top. So we used up as much. We have few leftovers here, obviously couldn't put everything back as it was, but pack the gravel in nicely, and we'll put some concrete over, and we are done with the rough-in plumbing under the slab. And actually done some rough-in plumbing already for the water as well. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.